Hello, here's Moon, and here is another challenge lock I have been waiting for way too long. I've received it from Ecom, or I'm not sure how to pronounce it right. And to be honest, I forgot it in the box. So I'm going to fix it by hopefully picking it blind on camera. CL1 Feesie. And here it is in generic Euro cylinder F1. It might have been, well, we'll ask him whose that, but for now, let's just pick it. Let's see what I have here. Let's try this tensioner and maybe, I guess I'll go for a deep hook. That's too thick. This way too. Let's find a smaller one. Yeah, that doesn't fit either. Yet another one. Too big. One of these should work. That works nicely. All right, let's go. I think I'll start with a shorter one. That was way too big. Some core movement. Now number one is binding, which wasn't binding before. Okay, and a false set. Two gave counter rotation. And it's number 5 now, I think. No, it is not. 3. Deeper false set. Yet again deeper false set. After touching 5. Let's look at this. That's a false set. Four might be binding. Maybe it's 5. I'm pretty sure it's 5. But now I dropped something, most of it actually, and it's open. 360, and now let's have a look what gave this crazy deep false set. But first let's have a look at the key. Oh, okay, I don't have to destroy this. Yeah, that was very nicely done, handmade key. There's an attempt to break the max, but the keyway is way too open for that. Let's see how it works. quite smooth. So let's get the throw clip away. And look at the guts. One, two, three, 4, and 5. The core doesn't seem to have anything special. Nope, just the standard. Let's arrange the pins quickly. The number 2 is quite interestingly looking. It's kind of spoolish. And numbers 1 and 4 have serrations on them, which are likely handmade. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe not. The spool is definitely handmade, but those serrations, they just look too dark to be hand cut, but I'm not sure. Now let's see what's there. There must be some quite deep spools. Okay, number 1 is serrated, deep cut in there. Number 2, that's a rattlesnake. There's just one. That's a very nice pin. Very well made. Great work. I like it very much. Crazy deep spool. Double spool. And identical spring, I guess. Another serrated. These serrations are definitely homemade. They are clean. Okay, and the last one. Must be also some deep spool. Oh, and a long one too. That makes sense that it made a deep hole set. Alright. Fun challenge lock with nice pin work and quite crazy key. CL1 Feesie. I will have to ask Ecom if it's his or not. And here's a close-up on the pins. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.